the cradle of Philippine independence. Ito na marahil ang isa sa pinaka-inaabangan kong bahagi ng ating Cavite Challenge. Welcome to Kawit, Cavite. Isa lamang itong maliit na bayan kung titingnan sa mapa. Pero napakalaki na ambag nito sa kasaysayan ng Pilipinas. Dito isinilang ang ating unang Pangulo. Although may ibang mga historians at mga grupo na kumukwestiyon dito. Dito idiniklara ang ating kalayaan. At dito nagsimula ang pinakabagong kabanata ng ating bansa. Sa bawat kalye, sa bawat lumang gusali, at sa bawat monumento, buhay na buhay pa rin ang kwento ng ating mga bayani. Kaya samahan niyo ko habang tuklasin ang isa sa pinakamakasayang bayan sa buong Pilipinas. Welcome to Kawit, Cavite. Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin. Kaya naman, laki na improvement din natin, no? Yung ating camera, may tripod na tayo. May tripod na tayo. Dati, ang ginagawa natin for thumbnail, kung ano makita natin na pagpapatungan ng ating camera. That's it. Pero ngayon, at least, we have gadgets na para mas convenient yung ating buhay. So for our next stop, ito na, exciting! Exciting, Kawit na tayo. So next, Kawit. Municipal Hall is, boom, lapit lang, Sunny, 30 minutes away. That's for Imus. Good morning once again mga Pards and mga Mars. Our next checkpoint, this is the 5th checkpoint natin. Sorry, 5th checkpoint. I think dito na sa ang start ng exciting part. Kawit, Cavite. So from here, sa location natin sa City Hall ng Imus, it's 13 minutes away sa destination natin, which is Kawit, which is one of the most iconic place sa Pilipinas that contributed sa sineselebrate natin na Independence Day today. So, di ba? Konektado. Very productive. Since malapit lang siya, so pagkwentuhan na muna natin at ito na muna ang quick history ng Kawit. Kawit is located in the northern part of Cavite Province and is approximately 18 kilometers from Kilometer Zero at Luneta Park in Manila. Depending on the traffic, the trip usually takes around 30 to 45 minutes via Cavitex or Aguinaldo Highway. Despite its proximity to Metro Manila, Kawit has successfully preserved many of its historical landmarks and colonial heritage. Kawit is bordered by Cavite City to the west, Noveleta to the southwest, Imus City to the south, Bacoor City to the east, and Manila Bay to the north. Its location made it one of the most important coastal towns during the Spanish colonial period. Long before the arrival of the Spaniards, Kawit was already a thriving fishing settlement along Manila Bay. Originally, the town was called Cavite el Viejo, meaning Old Cavite, because it was among the earliest settlements established in the province. Kawit became an independent municipality in 1587, making it one of the oldest towns in Cavite. But its biggest contribution to the Philippine history came on June 12, 1898, inside the ancestral home of General Emilio Aguinaldo. The Philippine Declaration of Independence was proclaimed before the Filipino people. On that historic day, the Philippine flag was officially unfurled and Marcha Nacional Filipina, which later became our national anthem. National anthem was played and a new nation was born. Before it became Kawit, the town was known as Cavite el Viejo. In 1907, during American colonial period, the name was officially changed to Kawit. The word Kawit comes from the Tagalog word meaning hook. If you look at an old map, you'll notice that the town extends into Manila Bay in the shape of a fishing hook. That's where the name originated. Today, Kawit has a population of approximately 108,000 people. It covers around 22 square kilometers. To put into perspective, Kawit is only about half of the size of Bacoor City, yet it is home to some of the most important historical sites in the country. Kawit is composed of 23 barangays, each contributing to the municipality's rich cultural and historical identity. Famous personalities in Kawit. Kawit is the hometown of several important figures in Philippine history. Of course, nandyan si General Emilio Aguinaldo, the first president of the Philippines. Baldomero Aguinaldo, a cousin of Emilio Aguinaldo and one of the highest-ranking revolutionary leaders. Mariano Trias, although more closely associated with General Trias, he also maintained strong political and military ties with Kawit and the revolutionary movement centered in Cavite. Must-visit places in Kawit, of course, nandyan ang Aguinaldo Shrine na pupuntahan natin mamaya, St. Mary Magdalene Church, one of the oldest church in Cavite. This is where Emilio Aguinaldo was baptized. Legend also says his body was brought here during his funeral rites. Kawit Municipal Hall, na ating checkpoint mamaya, Independence Balcony, located inside Aguinaldo Shrine. This is where the Philippine flag was first officially raised during the Declaration of Independence. Manila Bay Coastline, a perfect place to appreciate Kawit's coastal geography and understand why it became an important settlement and naval area. Meron din mga hidden gems dito katulad ng Aguinaldo Tomb. Many visitors tour the mansion but don't realize that Emilio Aguinaldo's mausoleum is located within the shrine's grounds. Kakarong-style heritage houses, explore the older neighborhoods around town proper to see surviving ancestral homes that reflects Kawit's colonial past. Local seafood eateries, syempre marami kang makikita dito sa tabi ng daan, especially mga fresh oysters. Being a coastal town, Kawit is known for fresh seafoods, traditional Caviteño dishes, and local eateries that are often overlooked by tourists. Interesting facts about Kawit: Aguinaldo Shrine contains secret passage, hidden rooms, escape routes designed to protect the revolutionary leaders during the times of conflict. Ang alam ko, meron din secret hospital sa loob nito. At nakapasok na rin tayo dito noong araw hanggang sa pinakatuktok ng structure para itong watchtower. Despite its relatively small land, Kawit remains one of the most historically significant municipalities in the Philippines. Napakaliit ng Kawit kung babasehan natin ang sukat nito sa mapa, pero napakalawak ng naging impluwensya nito sa ating bansa. Dito isinilang ang ating kalayaan. Dito isinilang ang ating unang Pangulo. At dito nagsimula ang kwento ng isang malayang Pilipinas. Itong episode natin for Kawit, I think kahit short siya, 10 minutes na doon na tayo. But I think we will be staying here for long dahil iikot tayo sa iconic heritage site which is the Aguinaldo Highway. So si Aguinaldo, which is bibisitahin din natin ng munisipyo mamaya, General Emilio Aguinaldo Municipality, malapit sa Magallanes. Oh, this is a nice monument. Yeah, that's Katipunan. E-bike, ang ingay. Saan kaya mas exciting daanan? Yeah, nararamdaman na natin ang init. Kanina masaya pa eh, alas 7. Masaya pa eh. Ayun, medyo na.
Nararamay na tayo na nasa Pilipinas nga pa.
Yeah. So diretsuhin natin to. Mas gusto kong daanan to. Magkano ba easy natin? Babaan natin ng konti. Mainit na nga. Nangyari doon na dito tayong 5 minutes. Doon na pala. May Unimar dito sa anin. So doon ang daan nun. Kaya pala parang familiar na nakadaan ako dito eh. Oo, tama. Ayan sa anin, binuksan pa namin yan. So that's Unimar SM Molino. Time check, dami ng customer pero sarado pa. Dami ng sumisila. I'm happy na dito tayo dumaan. Alas 11 magbubukas ang mall.
Pa lang yan.
So yun, nandyan ako nung nag-open yan. Iniisip ko, Okay, so this is again satisfying for me dahil it's answer my question na ano kay itsura dito sa bayan na to. Nakakatawa. Okay, buti nire-recho natin yun. Good. Ngayon pabalik tayo ng northern part and northeastern part ng Cavite. Na-excite ako makakita ng dagat. So kahit ang init. Pero at least ibang view naman. Relaxing. Tapos yun, modern palengke oh. Laki nito Sani. Ang maganda sa ginagawa natin to Sani, pag tiningnan mo ang Cavite sa Google Map, akala mo ang simple-simple lang na tipong ay dami bakanteng lote, residential area.
Puno pa nga eh.
May mga puno pa nga. So this is an advantage or a good thing that we are seeing on actual. Anong itsura doon sa mapa rin sa taas? Kasi iba pa rin yung nakikita mo mismo kesa doon sa, yan, katulad dito sa mapa natin. Ayan, ito mismo. Yan, kung titingnan mo dito sa Google Map na to, yan, parang congested lang siya. Pero pag zoom in mo, yan, may mga residential area. Yan, malapit na tayo sa Imus. Ay! Dapat maghalo-halo tayo. Sikat ang Imus sa halo-halo. We are 4 minutes away from Aguinaldo Shrine. Unahin natin. Kasi kung Kawit,
Saan ba yung susunod mo?
after Kawit, Cavite City. Okay, itong nasa ilalim natin or iniilaliman natin. Nakakaba naman yung mga enforcer. Akala mo paparahin tayo.
Hindi namin alam.
Oh, ito na sa
Teka.
akin ako. Oh,
Ito na yung pakawit.
ito na yung
So
pakawit.
bago lang to.
Bago lang to. Ayan na yung mga pugo-pugo.
Huling punta ko dito.
Wala pa to. Yeah. Calax yung sanit, tingin ko, Calax yun. Tapos mag-end siya, konektado siya ng
So
Cavitex.
Calax ends.
Tapos Cavitex, pwede ka na mag-north, Skyway Stage 3. O di, highway to highway na ang connection. So ito yung classic dito sa sa Cavite. Isa rin sa nagugustuhan ko sana pag nag-iikot is yung nakikita ko yung mga sariling design ng tricycle tsaka sariling design ng mga vehicles nila. Old school yan oh. Hindi pa tayo pinapanganak sa mundo ganyan ang jeep dito. Ay actually hindi jeep, bus. Tapos only in Cavite. Only in Cavite. So 2 minutes away. That's Aguinaldo Shrine already on our front. Ayun yung malaking flag. Ang dami. So nandito tayo sa lugar kung saan diniklara ang unang independensya ng Pilipinas. But yeah, I consider it as not the full independence kasi ang dami pa nangyari in between.
Kasi
Dami tao.
huling daan ko dito ride namin ni nilagyan ng pag nang nasa
Bumisita kayo dito.
punta kay Pian.
Okay. So syempre tumiming tayo sa ang daming tao. Ano ga? May bumaba.
Talagang dyan.
Oh talaga.
Hindi naman.
Kaya nga.
What difference will it make?
Ba't dito kayo bumaba? We are at Aguinaldo Shrine. Mamamasyal tayo. At since tiniming natin na ang ating trip ngayong araw, isinabay nga natin ang Independence Day. Aba, huwag ka na magtaka. Bakit ang daming tao? So, mga padaming events. Sana makapasok kami ng Aguinaldo Shrine. At matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nakakapasyal dyan. Tara, ikot tayo. Trip dito. Ayan, daming food. I wonder kung kailan pa sila nakapwesto dito. Sausage. Wow. Wow. Timing naman kasi. Bakit ka naman kasi nag-schedule? Nasabay mo pa sa araw ng kalayaan. Pero yeah, this is a good advantage. Yan, weakness ko yan, oh. Anak, kilala mo yan? Who's that?
Si Aguinaldo Bendad.
Yes. So that's General Emilio Aguinaldo. Emilio Aguinaldo. I wonder kung magwawagayway sila ng mapa. Diyan yun, no? 5 piso. Oh, sarado. Sarado po ngayong araw. Bukas po. Saan po pasukan? Nandun. Alright, sige. Pook ng pagpapahayag ng kasarinlan ng Pilipinas. In English, site of the Proclamation of Philippine Independence. Diba? In English lang natin. Nandun daw po yung pasukan. Siguro doon. Doon sa gitna. So pwede tayo pumasok. Pwede tayo pumasok. Pwede raw pumasok doon sa labasan. Ha? Buhay ang Pilipinas. Sige, let's go. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woohoo! Ma'am, pwede po pumasok? Ha? Close pa? Okay. Para naman tayong preso dito. So basically, Genuine Nagayway ang bandila declaring the first independence ng Pilipinas. Sayang din naman tayo nakakapasok. Well, sabi 12 daw magbubukas, but we don't have time to wait. Makapasyal sana. Pwede pumasok basta nakabarong. Naka-shorts tayo eh. Hindi, joke lang. Meron kasing event. Naiintindihan naman natin. So hindi ka na naman nakaikot, hindi ka na naman nakapasok. Next time ulit. So tara, tuloy na natin yung ikot natin. So we are off sa ating checkpoint, Kawit Municipal Hall.
Aabot ba tayo ng Nasugbu? Turn natin.
Baka turn natin. So magkakatabi na lang to, all the city halls or municipal hall sa lugar na pupuntahan natin sa side ng Cavite na to is halos magkakatabi na lang. Okay. So this is Kawit Municipal Hall. Tara mag-thumbnail tayo. Alright, so mga pards, that's Kawit, Cavite. Nag-enjoy tayo kasi nakabisita tayo kahit papaano dun sa shrine. However, hindi nga tayo nakapasok. So, yeah, balikan na lang natin. But yeah, that's Kawit. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel para updated kayo sa mga videos at mga adventures natin. That's it for today mga parts and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan niyo ang video natin today. At lagi natin tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both.